Code Complete by Steve McConnell is a classic software development book that covers a wide range of topics related to programming best practices. The book is considered an essential resource for software developers and anyone involved in the software development process. The book is divided into 4 parts. Part 1 provides an overview of the software construction process and discusses the importance of good coding practices. Part 2 focuses on the design of high-quality code and covers topics such as code formatting, comments, naming conventions, and error handling. Part 3 covers testing and debugging, including techniques for finding and fixing bugs, and writing effective test cases. Finally, Part 4 covers software development methodologies, including agile development and code reuse. McConnell's writing style is clear and concise, and he provides numerous examples and code snippets throughout the book to illustrate his points. He emphasizes the importance of good coding practices and provides detailed guidance on topics such as code formatting, commenting, and naming conventions. One of the key strengths of Code Complete is its focus on practical advice and real-world examples. McConnell provides numerous examples of good and bad coding practices and explains how to apply best practices in real-world situations. He also provides a large number of code samples, exercises, and checklists to help readers put the concepts into practice. The book also covers a wide range of topics related to software development, including software design, testing and debugging, and software development methodologies. McConnell provides practical advice on how to write effective test cases, find and fix bugs, and work effectively in a team environment. He also discusses the pros and cons of different software development methodologies, including agile development and code reuse. One of the key themes of Code Complete is the importance of writing clean, well-organized code that is easy to understand and maintain. McConnell provides detailed guidance on code organization and construction, and he emphasizes the importance of modular design and the use of abstraction. The book also provides guidance on debugging and testing, including techniques for finding and fixing bugs and writing effective test cases. McConnell emphasizes the importance of thorough testing and provides practical advice on how to write effective test cases and debug code. Finally, the book covers software development methodologies, including agile development and code reuse. McConnell provides an overview of the pros and cons of different methodologies and provides practical advice on how to choose the right methodology for a particular project. In conclusion, Code Complete is a must-read for software developers and anyone involved in the software development process. The book provides a comprehensive overview of software construction and programming best practices and is filled with practical advice and real-world examples. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Code Complete is an essential resource for improving your coding skills and writing high-quality software.